Step 3. There is a lot to do in step 3. Now we get to be really serious about this masterclass. So in the beginning of step 3, we're going to review the homework from step 2, what we learned in the previous step. Then we'll work on getting inspection report software, choosing ancillary services, and attaining additional certifications. Building a website, we're going to build a website together. Purchasing inspection tools, it's really important. It's more than just a screwdriver or a flashlight. Starting your own inspection contract. So that's the agreement between you and your client. And InterNACHI has a free online agreement system. It's electronic, it's verifiable, it's manageable. You can manage your own clients. It's convertible into PDFs. You can sign it on any device with your finger. It's fantastic and it's free. And we want to identify your weaknesses and strengths of your home inspection knowledge. And if you have any weaknesses, we're going to tell you how to strengthen them, because that's what you want to be. You want to be a good, strong, knowledgeable inspector and a business owner, a successful home inspection business owner. That's step 3.